Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So my name is Neetu and you are watching English Talk Corner. So today is the day 7 of my English speaking challenge. So guys, today is very cold in Delhi and it's feel very cold and I'm just come on my terrace because in my phone there is no recharge, though there is no internet, so that my Wi-Fi can connect it with my neighbors. So that's why I came on my terrace. Okay, so in my home, as you can see, the construction work is going on. So yesterday was 1st January, so New Year. Yesterday was New Year. So in this video I will tell you that how I celebrated my New Year with fun. Okay, so from in my morning there is nothing special which I call to my husband. I like there is no any celebration like this. We don't like to uh, say to say to happy new year to everyone. Like my husband is like a shy person. Okay, so in the afternoon time at 12:30 he called me and after that he said to me, Neetu, I am coming. So I said, why are you coming? Because uh, till now you did not wish me that today is happy new year. So he said to me that you did not wish me. Then I said, yeah, I did not wish you because I am waiting for you that you will wish me, then after that I will wish you. So after 12:30 I'll disconnect his call so that he get to know that Yanitu is upset today. So at 12:30, after 2:30 he came to our home because he went his car on his car because there is no any work going on well. So that's why 12:30 2:30 he came back, and after that he bath, and after that 4:30 come to my home, like my maternal home. He come to me and he said to me, happy new year to me. Then me, my son, my sister, we both went restaurant for eating something. Like first we eat roll. After that we my son was um, son was son was telling that papa, I want to eat this like pastry. Then after that my son ate pastry. Then we went a restaurant like in Dilli Darbar we went, and in that Dilli Darbar we ate half plate chili potato, and then we ate like chop stick chop. We eat it half plate, and after that we when we are coming back to our home, then my husband said today is cold, so why don't you drink cold coffee today. Not cold coffee, it was strawberry shake. Then we ordered some strawberry shake, 2 glass of strawberry shake we ate together with 3 peoples. We order only two drink of strawberry shakes. Okay, when we are coming back to our home, so there is my like Thai, or like my buddy mama is at home. So then my husband said she is only the one who is at home, so why don't you carry something for her. Then we ordered some golgappas for her. Then I come back with pani puri, like water balls. Then we ate together like at my with my Thai also. I ate some golgappa. After that I my stomach is very full. Okay, after that 6:30 my husband go for his party because he like in my home, like I am at my maternal home, so in my room there is no one, so he is celebrating his party in his own way. Like he is ordering something like whatever, and after that they did their beer party. And so that all we have, our new year has gone now. So yeah, a little bit I'm happy. So here I will tell you what is my realization resolution nahi, realization real okay, no problem. So today in this video I will tell you what is my realization. You know guys, my realization is very simple. That I will not tell you in this video. I will try to change myself full on, because in my side everything is going to very simple. I'll try everything my best in this year, in 2026. And there is something coming fast, something coming in my life also. So yeah, I am waiting. I'm so excited to in 2026. Let's play in 2026, because so many new things will come, so many bad things will go also in my life. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. Yeah, so that's all it's going on my new year. So as I told you everything, so today is the day 6 of my English speaking challenge, and I am very very happy to see you. And yeah, I wear my sister clothes because every time you are, if you are wearing sari, so that is not feel okay. Okay, so that's all I wear today. So I hope this video will be improve my English, because I am very weak in my English speaking part. Honestly, I'm improving, and I just want to develop my fluency part here. So yeah, today is the day 6. Let's improve your English also at home. So there is nothing I'm doing special, I'm just doing my English speaking practice in front of you. So if you are really watching my videos, so please correct me also, because in my home there is a Wi-Fi system, but in my maternal house I'm just coming down upside like on my terrace, then I'm connected. Otherwise I'm thinking to make conversations video also, because but let's see. So bye bye, I hope you will like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.